This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make delicious kimchi following Maangchi's traditional method. First, select about 6 pounds of fresh napa cabbage. Cut each head in half lengthwise, then sprinkle 3/4 cup of coarse salt between all the leaves. Let the cabbage sit for about 2 hours, turning it every 30 minutes for even salting. Afterward, rinse the cabbage thoroughly under cold running water to remove excess salt and drain it well. Next, we'll create the heart of our kimchi, the flavorful paste. Start by making a glutinous rice porridge with 3 tablespoons of rice flour and 2½ cups of water, cooking until it bubbles. Let it cool completely. Then, mince 20 garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of ginger, and 1 small onion. Combine the cooled porridge with these aromatics, 1½ cups of Korean hot pepper flakes, and ½ cup of fish sauce. Mix everything thoroughly to form a vibrant paste. Now for the fun part, mixing. Put on some food-safe gloves to protect your hands from the chili. Take each cabbage half and spread the kimchi paste generously and evenly over every single leaf, ensuring thorough coverage. Once all the cabbage is coated, pack it tightly into a clean, airtight container. Press down firmly to remove any air pockets, which helps with proper fermentation. Don't waste any leftover paste, get it all in there. After mixing, let your kimchi ferment at room temperature for about 1 to 2 days. You might see bubbles and more liquid, which is a good sign of fermentation. Once it reaches your desired level of sourness, transfer the container to the refrigerator. This slows down fermentation and keeps your kimchi fresh for several weeks or even months. Enjoy your delicious homemade kimchi as a versatile side dish or incorporate it into your favorite Korean recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.